Alright everybody, that's brother man, Joe from Angry Worm Fishing. We're down here at Ponder Lodge Pond trying to do some trout fishing on opening day. It is April 9th, 2022. And did you see that shit? Yeah. Sorry, the fish just blew up underneath of that tree over there. It was pretty cool. Hopefully I got it on camera. But I got my Angry Worm Fish On Series Ultralight. And I got my Angry Worm, I think it's a medium light. Yeah, it's my original custom built. Yeah, we're gonna hopefully do good out here. We got spinners. I got spoons, spinners. No live bait this year, no dough bait. We're just going straight lures. 58, 59,
8 o'clock.
8. Fish on.
Yeah. Fish on. It's not me, it's Georgie.
Little guy. But he's in the boat. Got him on the gold and silver.
There you go. Fish on. Way to go, brother man.
Fish on.
Another one, bro.
Ah, he got off. Fish on. He came way up to get that. There you go, first cast with a blue. And he's hooked. Oh, fish on.
Yeah?
Oh, that's a nice one too. Oh yeah, baby. He ain't no better than the other ones, but he felt deeper, like bigger. Woohoo, 3. Fish on. Back towards the shore. Oh, he's a nice one too. Ah, nice. About the same. Why they all look nice? Here, you want my lure? I'm gonna let this one go. Fish on. Just a plain old silver spoon, bro. Get in there. Fish on.
Nice. Right there.
Hehehe